Mom, today I'm going to show you my plastics first. So, first I'm going to show you Paxton. Paxton was helping Diesel 10 take over the Steamworks. And then I'm going to show you his color. Green and yellow. That's it. And now it's time for Salty. Salty's coming to Dieselworks with Mavis. Salty's red, black, yellow, gray, and a red too. And here is Diesel. Diesel was a mad Diesel. He was black and red. He was helping Diesel to take all the Steamworks too. And here's Cindy. She's yellow. He's yellow, blue, and red. He was helping Diesel 10 take over the Steamworks too. Was it fun taking over the Steamworks? Yeah, it was. And now it's time to show you my wooden Diesel. My wooden Diesel has only red, white, and black. Well, he's not the same as the plastic. And here is Salty, the other one. He has all the colors hanging out from all the Salty. Here's the biggest Diesel 10 that's on. He's all the brown that's in the movie. So then here comes Norman. So Norman has to be a one who's Damnation, who's taking Diesel 10, is taking over the Steamworks. And here's Dan, the brother of Dart. He says, well, and Dart says, what he needs to say is, ouch! And he needs to say is, well, we're kidnapping you, as he says. And here's Ari. So Ari is one of the guys who's a brother of Bert. And here's Bert. He's the brother of Ari. He's all colors now. And the last and final one is Mavis. She's black and white, like a zebra and cow. So that's it. See ya. Bye.